What's up, guys? So, some of you people might know me from YouTube, social media, Facebook primarily, but YouTube mostly. For that guy who gives away a lot of information, very patient with people, never talks down to them, because I understand. I was there, at the beginning. This industry tends to overcomplicate things to where it almost feels scientific. So when people get lost and confused and they're asking questions in these groups, these Facebook groups, it's not entirely their fault. It's the industry. And then when you get on the groups and they ask a question, it's like back in high school, when you're in class and you don't want to feel like the dummy, so you don't want to raise your hand. I was one of those people. Because you just didn't want it, right? You didn't want the giggles and stuff, right? So Facebook is like high school. A bunch of people on there that they've been in the industry for a while, and it's not going to be the people that have been in the industry for a whole long time. It's usually the people that's been in the industry, a couple years or so, right? They got egos just up there, right? So when somebody asks a question that to them it may be simple because they've been through it already, they like to kind of degrade people and make them not want to ask questions no more. Guys, to both of you, for the people that are asking questions and you're getting out a lot in a group, get out of that group. Get out of that group. That group's a swamp. Okay? Come over to Cleanup or Green Rhino Academy. No, I don't tolerate that stuff in the Cleanup. It's my group. They're both my groups. But Green Rhino Academy is actually only for my students. But I don't tolerate it there either. All right? So guys, these people they're coming at you like that when you ask a question, they got self-esteem issues. They probably got a little bitty, you know what I mean? Or their family life isn't so good at home, right? So they got to take it out on you, bullies. And in today's climate, everybody's hiding behind a phone. And they would never say that to your face. So guys, we can control our environment. We can control what goes on in this little thing right here. We can unsubscribe. We can block. We can just change group. We can do all these things because you don't need the negativity, guys. So if you're starting a carpet cleaning business and you want to change your life, because I'm all about entrepreneurship. Carpet cleaning is just something I know very well now. So I like to share that. But it's all about changing your life, finding something that can change your life for the better financially. So thank God for carpet cleaning for that. And come on over to the Cleanup or Green Rhino Academy or Green Rhino Project YouTube channel. I got thousands of videos over there, guys, that teach you ride-alongs, motivational stuff, all that. All right. So for those other guys, yeah, we got a little something. See you in the next one.